What's up my stylish people, this is Shashank, welcome back to the channel. As we are inching close to the end of the winter season, I got you guys covered with the Summer Haul 2021 for Indian men, and in particular, this haul is for students. Most of you guys have requested me on Instagram to do a video on how to build a summer wardrobe on budget, in particular for students. I got you guys covered in this video. This is an Amazon haul of building a summer wardrobe for shirts as well as t-shirts under 7,000 rupees. I got you guys covered with 10 pieces in this video. There will be a separate video on the bottom wear as well, what exactly the bottom wear you need to pick for the summers, and in particular I will cover chinos in that video. Whenever I do a haul keeping students in mind, generally I consider three factors. One, they need to be stylish. Second, they need to have optimum durability or optimum quality. And third, they need to be affordable. All the pieces which you are going to see in this video, check marks each and every aspect. Having said that, let's get quickly into the video because we have 10 pieces. In this video, I'm not going to cover round neck as well as the v-neck t-shirts because whatever I have suggested in my how to build a basic wardrobe from Amazon, those round neck and v-neck options stays the same. I will leave a link to that video in the description as well as on the iCard. Please feel free to check that out. Let's start with the polo t-shirt, and polo t-shirt is a must have during summer seasons because it is a fine balance between going casual as well as semi-formal. You can dress either way and it can be a super versatile option if you go and pick the neutral colors. And what's better than the white color to start with when it comes to polo in particular. This is a white polo t-shirt from Jockey in a size of medium. These are the new arrivals from Jockey which comes in different colorways, and this is particularly a regular fit. If I have to say, it's a comfort fit. Even though it's a regular fit, it have enough room at the waist area but fits snug at the arms as well as the chest areas. There is one aspect in this t-shirt which I like the most, is the fabric quality. Yes, I haven't washed it yet, so I may not comment on the durability. The instant premium feeling you can get when you hold this t-shirt and when you wear this t-shirt, this super combed cotton rich interlock fabric. Yeah, it's a long name, but they have gone with that fabric, and fabric feels so smooth, guys. It's a cotton fabric, but still instantly you get that feeling of a viscose or a lyocell kind of a material fabric that you cannot get anywhere at a price point of $899. And even though it's $899 in Amazon, you can get somewhere around 600 to 700 rupees price point. And considering the quality of this fabric, I think it's well worth of that investment of 600 to 700 rupees. Moving on to the polo t-shirt number 2. It seems like a shirt, but actually it's a polo t-shirt. As we are covered with the white color, and obviously the next one should be black color. And for the black color, I have gone with this full sleeve polo t-shirt from US Polo in a size of medium. It is a slim fit polo t-shirt and they do have this in multiple colorways. It is priced at $16.99, but in Amazon most of the times when the sale hits, as always, do remember one point, guys, the prices may vary depending on when you're shopping these items. Sometimes you may get it for more and sometimes you may get it for less. And this one, being a black color, it's absolutely each and everyone's favorite. Rather than going for the half sleeves, why I went with the full sleeves is just because of one point. It seems like a shirt but with a polo t-shirt composition. So not only the color helps in the versatility, but also the design of the t-shirt and how the t-shirt looks ups the versatility. It will be available around a price point of 800 to 900 rupees. Moving on to the polo t-shirt number 3. It's a white and black color block Jack and Jones t-shirt in a size of medium. Few of you guys already must have sensed it. I want you guys to look stylish as well, not only being on budget and quality. Of course, you need to have few of trendy pieces or statement pieces in your wardrobe. So I went with this color block t-shirt from Jack and Jones. It is in this 2 neutral colors. That's what I liked in this t-shirt. The advantages with this t-shirt: 1, both are the neutral colors, and 2, even though they have this Jack and Jones branding, the branding is minimal. And number 3, I do have many Jack and Jones t-shirts, guys. They do fare well with time. So the quality is one more advantage for this t-shirt. However, there is a minor disqualifier. The length of the t-shirt is a little bit more to my liking. I would have loved an inch or inch and a half short. As we are done with the polo t-shirts and the t-shirts from the previous video which I suggested, now let's get quickly into the shirts. I'm suggesting you guys for only one solid color shirt because summer season is all about having fun with the prints, but however you guys are covered with solid color options when it comes to the t-shirts as well as the polo t-shirts, so you're not gonna miss on the solid colors and versatile pieces as well. I got both white color and this one. So it's up to you guys what exactly you want to go for. It is a purple color full sleeve shirt from United Colors of Benetton in a size of medium. These shirts from United Colors of Benetton, they do release season after season, guys, and they fit you so well. These are the slimmer fits, and a minor disqualifiers with these shirts would be: one, being 100% cotton, they get wrinkled super easily, guys, and literally you have to press them for a longer periods of time, and you have to keep steam for them for sure in order for the wrinkles to go away completely. And the second minor disqualifier would be length, a tiny bit, but that's not a major disqualifier at all. All the pieces which you are gonna see in this video, you can find the link for those pieces in the My Haul store link below. Feel free to navigate and choose the color choices according to your liking. Printed shirts are a must-have during the summer season. Moving in specific to the shirt number 5. It is a green color floral printed shirt from a brand called Max. I got this in a size of medium, and it is a slimmer fit option. And this material is super thin, guys, which is appropriate for the summer seasons. Even though it's a 100% organic cotton shirt, it feels a little bit on the flowy side, like generally how a shirt would look like in case if it is made with viscose or a combination of polyester. And this shirt is also part of their sustainability program when it comes to the brand Max. This is priced super crazily at 900 rupees, and you can get this at a price point of 400 to 500. I got this at a price point of 453, I think. What I liked in this shirt: one, the flowy aspect of it, and number two, olive green color being one of my favorite, and number three, even though the floral prints, it's one of the busiest prints you can see, but still the color of the prints, when it goes with the light pink color or the light brown color, when it comes to these prints, they have this muted vibe when it comes to the prints. So overall, you can get most value out of it. You can mix and match easily with the lowers you have in your wardrobe. Moving on to the shirt number 6. It is a printed shirt from Jack & Jones in this black color, which I got it in a size of small. It is priced at 2,299, but however, I got this for a crazy price point of 750 during the sale time. This one, most of the times also, it will be available somewhere around 900 rupees, but if you shop during the sale time and if you apply card discounts on top of that in Amazon, you can get this at a crazy price point of 700 to 600 rupees. And Jack & Jones quality is really great. And what I liked in this shirt, being a printed shirt, the base for this shirt is black color, and they have gone with these prints which have this off-white with a small tint of orange to it. So they have the pop as well, but most of the colors are the neutral colors. And second thing what I liked, the fit of it. And third, it would be the button down collar. So if you are someone who like the muted look when it comes to the printed shirts, this can tone down that a bit. I do not have any disqualifiers with this shirt, except for that it's 2.5 seasons old. That's fine when you're getting this as low as 600 to 700 rupees, because Jack & Jones is a premium brand and they offer good quality. Yes, 2.5 seasons is a bit more, but still it's more than fine. The quality can hold when it comes to Jack & Jones or these kind of reputed brands. Moving on to the next shirt. Of course, who would not need checkered shirts in their wardrobe? Be it any season, flannel shirts are the must-have. This is a green checkered shirt from a brand called Max, which I got it in a size of medium, and it is a cotton shirt. This one is priced at 899, but I got this at a price point of 500 rupees. A suggestion from my end would be, when it comes to the checker shirts, generally I always recommend you guys to go for one darker color or one neutral color when it comes to the checks. Here if you can see, they have this neutral color of blue and an olive green, which is not a bright olive green, so it works well. Rather than going with my trusted combination of red and black, I have gone with this combination this time because I want to switch up the style when it comes to the flannels, and this combination really I liked it. And when you're getting at a price point of 500, it's a must-have, guys. And also please do ensure that the checks need to be of medium size, just like this. I do remember, guys, summer season is always about flowy aspect and loose fitting shirts, Cuban collar shirts. Do you think so? I will not cover that. Of course I did. And you guys know that I love stripes, and if you're a student, striped shirts or striped t-shirts, anything of vertical stripes, because vertical stripes not only they look cool, but also they have the advantage of making you look tall as well as slim. So moving on to the next piece, it is a vertical striped shirt from Max, which I got in a size of medium. This is fairly priced at 899 rupees. On top of that, during sale times, you can get this at 50% off, which makes this crazy affordable at 450 rupees, and all the advantages I mentioned with the vertical stripe. Not only that, what exactly I liked, apart from this button down collar which adds the versatility, the other factor is the majority of the shirt have white and black stripes, and the remaining stripes are the blue and yellow, which helps the shirt color to pop, guys. If you pair this with the drawstring pants, black colored drawstring pants or blue colored drawstring pants, or even a white jeans, you are gonna look super stylish, guys. And also it's a viscose blend shirt. it gives that flowy aspect during the summer seasons. Moving on to the next shirt. I said that I'm gonna cover Cuban collar shirts, right? It is a vertical striped Cuban collar shirt from Max, which I got it in a size of medium. I ordered 2 or 3 Cuban collar shirts from Amazon in order to find a best quality one and also a shirt that fits you so well. Cuban collar shirts are something which each and every brand, they can't nail it when it comes to fit, because they need to have a relaxed fit, a balance of the relaxed fit and that flowy vibe. It should not look like an oversized. This one is a perfect combination of affordability as well as fit. It comes with this viscose material and the flowy aspect, and the stripes in this combination of the beige, white and a light mix of yellow color to it. The stripes are so subtle. This can be one of these semi-casual Cuban collar shirt you can find or you can wear during the summer season. This shirt they released it 1 month back, but during the recent Amazon sale you can find them at a discount of maybe 40 to 50%. For 400 rupees, you can't find a better deal than this when it comes to Cuban collar half sleeve shirts from Amazon. Moving on to the last piece for this video, even though I suggest you guys to go for the crew neck as well as the v-neck t-shirts from the previous video, if you're a student and if you want to embrace the street vibe, you can't find better option than this at a price point of 300 rupees. It is from Max, and the fit for this t-shirt, actually they call it as an improved fit. It is a crew neck, color blocked vertical striped t-shirt from Max. It's an oversized drop down shoulder t-shirt in this lovely color combination. You can see 3 pastel colors when it comes to this t-shirt, and that falls particularly into the summer vibe. And this is priced at 700 rupees, and you can find this at a price point of 350 to 400 rupees. You can easily experiment the oversized fit, even though they call it as an improved fit, and drop down shoulders as well when it comes to the overall fit of the shirt. And second, you get the summer vibe with the color combinations. And third, you can see that they have this reboot written on it, so it altogether gives a different vibe. 1 or 2 seasons back, Zara do have the same design, not the exactly same color combination when it comes to reboot. They had a similar design and they copied this design, but it's not a bad thing. They are giving you at a price point of 350, and also the material is so stretchy and so breathable, guys. Perfectly suited for the summer seasons. I hope you guys like this Summer Haul 2021 for Indian men, in specific for students, where you can buy all these pieces under 7,000 rupees, which is actually crazy, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, and you know the drill. Share and comment. That's it from me. See you guys next time.